Stop there. Give me the money.
Which money are you talking about?
The money or your life. Why are you out? Why do you think you are running?
You don't have me.
Go. Go! Hand over the money. Hand over the money. Fast! Sharply. That all?
Yes.
My guy, Sasha, I don't trust all these girls.
Bros! Okay, wait. I'll give you the money.
Do it fast! The money! Aya, come on. Come on. Move. Run. Don't look back.
Nandi! Where has this boy gone to? Nandi! Ah!
Mama, I'm here.
Where did you go?
Mama, I want to check my trap.
I want to check my trap. But for one day I've never caught a grass cutter. At least bring it home. Let me eat it. Mba! Grass cutter. Trap. Nothing.
Mama, don't worry. On a very good day, I will catch a big style can use to cook pepper soup for us.
That is what you always say. Meanwhile, go to the back. Clear it before your sister comes back from the market. Oh?
Okay, ma.
Hey, Mama.
I am finished.
Okay.
Ma, I am finished.
What is it now? What happened to you?
Sister, talk now.
They took everything.
What?
They collected all the money I went to the market with.
What are you talking about?
Mama, as I was going to the market, some boys stopped me and they were armed. They asked me to give them all the money I had. If not, they'll kill me.
Here! In this village! Sister, where did that happen? Sister, tell me, the money will come out today.
Amarachi, tell me you're joking. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Sister!
Hey!
Mama!
Ibo!
Ezigbo, for how long are you going to stay like this? Eh? Do you know what time it is? Almost midnight. See? You've been crying since morning. Do you want to kill yourself, Ezigbo? What can you do?
What does he want me to do? Everything I labored for has vanished into thin air. If I had known that this was going to happen, I wouldn't have given Amarachi all that money.
Is that the reason you want to kill yourself? Eh? What has happened has happened. It can never be reversed. What can you do?
How can I start all over again? Who do I run to for financial assistance? Who?
It's okay. It's alright.
Mama, it's okay. It's not okay anything. It's not okay anything. It is all your fault. If we had gone to the market early enough, you wouldn't have gone through all this. This pain I'm going through, I wouldn't have gone through it. Because of your carelessness and nonchalance.
Ezigbo, it's not Amarachi's fault.
It's our fault.
Whether she went to the market early or not, what will happen will happen. Ozugo. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. I will see what I can do. You go.
Hey, can't you walk for me here? Can't you take it because I know? Change my condition for me now because I know. Hey, I cannot continue suffering like this. And for those who stole my money, they will not go unpunished. God will punish them. God will judge them. They will never have peace in their lives.
Listen, people are sleeping. Let's go inside. It's okay, it's okay. Let's go inside. We go inside. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright.
Daddy. Namdi, what are you doing?
I'm busy.
You are busy. So because you are busy, that's why you left everywhere unkept. You can't even sweep the compound.
Stan, leave me. Oh, I'm busy now.
You are busy. Namdi, I'm talking to you and you're telling me you're busy.
Sister, I don't want to be disturbed this morning, you know. I'm busy, please. I'm mending my trap.
Really? Go and sweep that place now. Go and sweep that place!
Sister, I can't sweep, I'm hungry. I did it last night before I went to bed. After you went to give all those criminals the money Mama gave to you. Yeah, to claim you are smart. I don't know. Sister, leave me, oh! Yeah.
Are you mad, eh? Better continue this your mouth, oh! You better continue this your mouth before I squeeze it for you.
Mama, come and want sister, oh!
What's this?
Yeah.
I'm not talking it. Mama, this is your stupid useless son. Stop it now! Tell me what is it. He woke up this morning, he came and sat down here. I asked him to sweep the compound. He started insulting me.
Mama, I did not insult her. She came this morning and started hitting me. I did not insult her, Mama.
You're still lying. Stop it. You're still lying.
Mama, what's sister alone?
Oh, you want to hit me as well?
Mama,
no, hit me!
Mama, sorry, why you
hit me?
I'm not hit me.
If you fall, Mama, step before Mama.
Push me down. Hit me.
Nah.
Every
time I'm not back to don't.
Mama, Ozugo.
Mama, I'm hungry.
Hungry, go. Mama, idiot.
Amarachi.
Tell him to come. Tell him to come.
Sir, don't spoil my trap, oh. Yeah.
I will just tell you this nonsense thing. Every time you be supporting this boy in this house, kill him now. If it will make you happy, kill him. I'm actually kill your brother. Oh, Guinea. Oh, Mikey. Why haven't you killed everybody? But I've not seen you kill anybody. Oh, wah. Forgetting you're a woman. Every time he's supporting this boy in this house.
For how long am I going to continue in this condition? I labor all day with nothing to show for it. It's high time I look for something else to do. My friend Daniel, who was here with me, has long gone to the city for greener pasture, and I'm still here.
It be like Sena Koso. Come on, the struggle life would they get to worse. Come on, no enjoyment here, so management here. Come on, life, that's so come on. It's up another end here, it's story to the bend here. Come on, life, that's so come on. If this one no happen, that one go happen. For poor man's story, something must happen. If he know they complain, poor man they cry. It be like say he go there for suffer, till he die. No enjoyment here, so management here. Poor man life, na so come on.
Whoa! Sweet! Yeah! Welcome, man! Thanks, bro! After 10 years! Thank you, dude! Thank you, my dear! How are you? Whoa! Yoba! You are welcome! Thank you, Dad! Look at you! Look at you, Dad! You're looking great! Whoa! What have you been feeding on? Well, we give thanks to God whatever it is, life and everything. Yes. That is just so good to be home. I've missed this house. I've missed everybody. I've missed you. I missed you too. Yeah? Let's go in. Let's go in. I'll have to get my luggage. Okay. Get the luggage. Hurry up. Pop say. So that, honestly, schooling abroad is a great experience. The amenities are on point, everything is as it should be. The way they take care of students, the administration, everything. In fact, it was a great experience for me, and I have you to thank for that.
That's good. I am so happy that you're back.
Thank you, Dad. And I am happy that you sent me to school abroad. Thank you so much.
You're a wonderful son.
You're a great dad. Thank you, Dad. So how's business?
Well, we thank God business is fine. But now you are back. You have to take over the directorship of this company.
Dad, not so soon. I mean, I've been away out of this country for 11 years. I don't know how to go around that.
Well, I will be there to help you.
Oh, good. That's my dad.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
You will have to rest for 2 weeks. Then after that, you will have to go back to work straight.
Sure, Dad. I know you're a workaholic, so I'm not surprised. Lest I forgot, I spoke with Mom. Yeah, before I left London, we spoke. She told me she's having a swell time with your mopo and the US.
Yes. Your sister and the husband, they are looking after her. They are giving her a hell of a good time.
I trust them.
She has not gone off for a very long time. She left around the middle of last month.
Okay then. Yes. Well, that means she has a little more time to spend.
Yeah. My son, let us open this so that we can drink and be happy.
I go back for public. What's wrong with you? Started.
Out of all the gaga you're doing in this town, you got no bad granite.
I know the mom. Mama, Choro. It's sweet though.
It's good, thank you.
Welcome now.
I bought Gary and the soup items.
Hey, thank you, Papa.
It's alright.
I'm going to this thing. You want to finish this?
What do you happen to play?
So what now? Yeah. I'm going to get off of that plate. I'll give you a hard knock now if you don't shut up. Get up, let's go and cook. I go. Let me open that.
I met Mahaga.
Okay.
So I explained everything to him. So he accepted to lend me some money. But he said he will deduct it from my salary. So I said I should come and see him after work. So that was where I went to. I got there and he gave me 10,000 naira. Yes. I used 1,500 to buy those food items.
Hey.
And then this is 8,500.
For what now?
Start your business now.
Hey! Ezigbo dika ajadumma.
Thank you.
Dalo. God bless you.
Dalo. Right. You see, this your business will grow in quantum.
Amen.
No misfortune will ever come into that business again.
Amen.
I don't want to see you to cry. Don't cry, you. I want to see you smiling like this. That's why you are easy. It's all right. It's all right. But sit to the kitchen because.
Auntie, give me 200 naira.
No problem. You don't come early today. What's happening now?
I went to work.
Yeah, how was work today now?
Fine.
Thank God you meet our brother.
Do it well, though. The last time you did not do it.
No problem.
Jara.
No problem. Still our customer now. See, I'm putting this one for you. You want plenty pepper?
Yes.
As well?
Yes.
Customer. Tomorrow come early.
No problem, no problem. Mama, what of Mama?
Mama went inside.
Okay, greet her for me.
No problem. Thank you. Welcome, sir.
Amarachi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Is your father around?
Yes, sir.
Please, I want to see him.
Let me call him.
Who am I seeing? Dan! Oh. Dan! I want you, Dan!
Oh, come my good friend. Oh, God, where?
Dan, I want you. Ezigbo! Mama Marachi, bia. Come and sit down and follow. My friend is here.
Nai, you're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, when did you arrive?
Yesterday.
Yesterday? Yeah. Oh, yesterday. Oh, man, I made all this thing. You, my old bosom friend, you left me in the village, went to the city and forgot about me.
You won't understand. Obo na korologi in my water.
Water. Don't worry. You mean water? Don't worry. Who are you with?
I am alone.
The car. You drove the car.
That's my car.
Stop that joke. If it's a joke, just stop it.
I am not joking. That's my car.
Dan, your car.
That's my
car. Dan has a car. Or you, my own bosom friend, has a car. He's a big man. He's a big man. Odogu! Dan now for no. Hey! Don't worry. Now, congratulations. Let's go inside. Do you want
My congrats.
Yes.
He is lying. I'm very sure he borrowed this car. And look at it now. How can he buy this kind of car? Does he have money? Does he have that kind of money? How do you know? Look at the car now. Here, come and see. Look at this car. Look at the car. Look at this one. You're telling me. See, come on, doesn't have money to buy this car. He borrowed it. You want to come and show us, you know, and you're here believing it. Come, let's go and prepare this. You're just carrying me about. Think I'm a small girl. In fact, I'm not prepared for your husband for you. Oh, gee. For this. How? This man cannot buy this car. Because he borrowed it. me that. Mama, I'm not happy.
Angry? My daughter, Ogini.
It's Papa.
Papa, what has he done to you?
Papa is the reason we are still very poor.
Amarachi, how do you mean?
I was here the last time that man tried to convince Papa so both of them would travel to the city. But Papa refused. Now look at him now. He chose to remain in this village and be a laborer in that block industry.
Amarachi, don't blame your father. Nobody knew it was going to be like this.
Mama, I was there when this man was begging Papa. He convinced Papa. He said everything so both of them would travel to the city. But Papa refused. Instead, Papa chose to remain in that block industry. I'm very sure Papa is scared of the city. I don't know why he's scared of the city.
Don't take it the wrong way. Besides, nobody knows the source of the man's wealth.
Hey.
Yes.
Mama, Kangwagyo, wealth is wealth. It doesn't matter how it comes. Yes.
You're a small girl. You won't understand. Amarachi, all that glitters is not good. Let us wait for God's time. God will bless us.
God's time? Mama, only poor people will say, let us wait for God's time. Keep on waiting for God's time. You wait for God's time and wait for God's time until all of us will die in this house one day. God's time.
Let's go now. And it's a shower kunego. How you feel for blue?
Yeah. Let us stay outside. You have to give me a phone. There is no light.
That's not problem.
Sit down.
No, Oko, sit down. You are my senior friend.
You are my guest. Sit down here, my own visitor. Sit down.
If you say so.
Don't tell me a story.
You won't believe it, Oko. When I passed through the very first day I got to the city, I have no place to sleep, no one to go to. I wish I've never left my village.
Are you serious?
Oko, it was a terrible experience. And no wonder our people say when the poor man is told what it takes to become rich, he would rather choose to be poor.
Well, we thank God for it. You see, you are enjoying it now. We thank God for your life.
Oko, if I had to go to Mama.
Thank you.
Oko, when you see that car, you see this guy?
Yes.
That's my second.
Your second car?
My wife is driving the second one.
Your wife has a car? Hey! What?
No. That one is even smoking. Oh, thank you, my dear. The house I'm living in the city, I bought it myself.
You have a house in the city? Hey!
And recently, I paid for a plot of land, which I'll start to develop any moment from now.
You have a house in the city and bought a plot of land. Now.
Oko. God has finally blessed me.
Now tell me, what exactly are you doing in the city? Which work are you doing?
Oko, I work in the wharf now. As a clearing and forwarding agent. I clear, I forward.
You carry containers?
Hey! Those containers you see entering this country, we're in charge.
Hey!
That's my work.
Eat your food. Eat your food before you just go. Why we discuss? Just eat.
Thank you so much.
Wash hand, Biko.
Thank you so much.
If you go Lawrence, okay, Lawrence. When next you come down here, we'll go and visit. You will show him who you are. Lawrence.
That man is heartless.
Hi!
By the time we get there, I will splash him dirty water with this guy.
Dirty water. Oh, cement water.
What is cement?
Oh God! Now I'm happy for you because
now let's pick up.
Just manage. Who they are?
Master, welcome.
You get plantain, Abu?
I get how much dollar you want?
Give me with this. Give me like 300 naira. I will do fast. I go somewhere now. You get fish, Abi. Now come on, you get. You get fish, Abi. Give me two. I will do fast. I come on. I will do fast. I hurry. Yeah.
Hey! Thief! Oh no, she go up! Mama!
You know me before?
Mama!
If I only you go. Jesus!
Mama!
Stop! What did they call you? I go kill you!
Mama, where are you?
Do you know that I didn't know that this your daughter is this strong? If you go see the thief before the vigilante boys came and arrested the stupid thief. Hey! Why?
Mama, you're talking like you don't know your daughter anymore.
Bite you.
As we speak now, they've arrested the second boy. Both of them are in police cell now.
Are you serious?
Yes. You must provide that money by force.
Ma'am.
You will provide it.
I even indicated it in my statement.
At least let them give me back my money so that I can continue with my small business.
Don't worry. Just have faith.
Why? Yeah, man. That reminds me. How about your friend? Has he got back to the city?
Daniel? No, he's still around. Yeah, Maharaj. God has blessed Daniel. Hey! Daniel has got Obugos. Do you know that the car Daniel came here with is not the car he has? Daniel has 2 cars. The wife is driving one in the city. That is what she goes to buy tomatoes with when she goes to the market, buy yam with when she goes to the hey! God has blessed Daniel.
Look at the way you're saying it. How about me? Which one did you buy? You're describing the way the wife feels where she goes to buy.
And not only that, do you know he bought a house in the city, a mansion, and a plot of land is developing? And you say we shouldn't thank God for Daniel. Thank God for
Papa, this is you're telling us now, we are not interested in it. If truly that man is your friend, let him help you and stop telling you about his achievement.
But Daniel, yes, he's my friend. He has not done anything wrong by telling me about his achievement. What are friends for?
He has, so he has done everything wrong. Let him help you. After all, they said a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Yeah.
Let him help you.
But your daughter is right now. Even if you can't tell him, let me tell him myself that you need help.
Take it easy, woman. Take it easy. I've not seen this man for a long time. He just came around. There is time for everything. Allow him. Let him settle down first. There is still time for everything. There is time for everything. You don't just expect me to start pushing him around. Take me to the city. Take me to the city.
But there is no time. Don't you get it? Delay is dangerous. Just tell him to take you to the city.
Let him help you.
Look, listen. There is time for everything. Even if I don't go to the city, my son, Nnamdi, will go to the city.
It's a lie, you papa. This one you just said is a very big lie. It wasn't his son that went to the city to make money for him. He went to the city and make money for his family. Papa, go to the city and make money for us.
Yeah, take water.
Mama, don't you want to drive car?
Take water, forget it.
Did I tell I wanted to drink water?
Drink water, go and sleep.
Instead of buying me a car, look at what you're giving me.
Okay, okay.
Mommy, I don't like this. Go to the city, go and your back.
Shut up. I said tie me up and want me to the city. At this my age, that's when I want to go to the city. If push wheelbarrow. This one I'm doing is God not helping me. We are still eating. Because we know they take it easy. It's still by force. I still believe the fact that the God that did it for you will do it for next to me.
That is true now.
That is true. Hello.
Hi. You're leaving already?
Oh yes, but I will be back tomorrow.
It's okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Okay,
Thank you.
I'm going to join Koma.
It's all right.
He has asked me to accompany him somewhere. I'll be back soon.
Please go. Oga Daniel gave me all the money, 10,000. Ego Abiago. Why are you like that? Okay, you're not happy he gave me the money. He wanted him to give it to you. Whether it is me or you, it's the same thing. It's our money. Mama, I'm not happy. Why? I am not. This man should teach us how to catch fish and stop giving us fish. Is it that one? Okay. The other day he gave you 7,000. And today he's giving you this amount. I don't know how much it is. It's 10,000. I'm not happy. We should teach people how to make this money too. Let us keep this one we saw with our eyes and still hope for the one that will come. What's your problem? Makwana kenjika. Ego kanji.
Mama, what is holding Papa from telling him what we discussed the other day?
Oh, what? But he will still tell your father when he's leaving the village now.
If Papa doesn't tell me, I will not be happy Papa in this house. So. Me, I will not be happy Papa. Every time you come and dash money and you'll be dancing. I'm happy Papa.
Papa is not back. He doesn't keep late night. I don't know. Ejubam, I don't know why he's not back yet. Why does he keep late night? I wonder what he's still doing outside with that man. Amarachi, you worry too much. Don't worry yourself. He's with his best friend Daniel. He's in safe hands. And I told you, he will soon be back. Hey! Welcome!
Only you laugh.
Calm down.
Jolly good fellow. Nollywood.
What's wrong with you?
Everyone, we enjoyed ourselves. So far, we had a jolly good time.
Hey!
Come.
Uko. I will see you tomorrow.
Yeah, Nollywood.
Hey!
Jolly good fellow. Nollywood. Nice man. Okay, my God. I'll see you later. I'm man.
What's the meaning of this?
Oh, we had a nice time. Danny boy is going. I'm born with Danny boy.
Right. All good night.
I'm fine. There is no problem. All is well.
Papa, all is not well. You are drunk. Mama, I'm not happy. Just look at what a man did to his friend.
Mama, I'm not happy too.
Yes. Why? I've always said it in this house. That man is wicked. But Mama does not want to believe me at all. That man is a wicked man. If anybody should be blamed in this circumstance, it's your father. Why should he drink himself to stupor? Because he suffered drink through booze. Is he a kid? Unlike a man who saw that his friend was already drunk and he kept on buying drink for him is a wicked man. That's the only thing he's interested in. To buy drink for Papa, and he doesn't want to help Papa. But he's ready to be buying drink for him. That man is wicked.
True. Mama, that man's money is not genuine. That's why he cannot help Papa. That man is a wicked man.
Man, it's a wicked man. Don't accuse anybody. That does not help, has not helped your father, does not make him a wicked man. After, do you know what he has in mind for your father? Mama, that man does not have any plan for Papa. The only plan he has for Papa is to get him drunk. So, if that man refuses to carry Papa to the city, just look at my father. Nandi, come, let's carry him inside.
Huh?
You heard me, my friend. Get off from that plane. You know the father. Stand aside. Stand aside. Come on, my friend. Stop, Macau. Mama, I'll kill this boy. Is that what you're fighting? Leave him alone. Stand here. Hey, fender.
Mama, come on.
Put here. Is it not your father?
Leave my head alone. I say leave my head alone.
Your head will break.
Well, like my father said, my holiday is over. I am starting work tomorrow.
Eva, you're really a lucky man. You know, you have a nice father and he cares so much about you.
Yeah, my father does not just care about me, he cares about everybody. That's how that man is. I don't know what kind of generosity he has. He's always willing to give, to assist, to help people and all of that. Sometimes he gets into trouble with my mom because of that.
Wow. He's really a good man.
Yeah, he is. And I'm grateful for that. Though sometimes I try to warn him to be very careful. There's nothing wrong with being generous, but sometimes you have to be careful. Because of our society, you know, kidnapping and all of that.
You have a point. But, I mean, you can stop him. He's a good man. A good man is a good man. But, that's by the way. Now that you're back to the country, you need someone to keep you company.
I don't understand.
You don't understand? I'm talking about a mistress here. I mean, there are so many beautiful chicks in this town. I can connect you to one of them, you know.
Is that necessary?
Oh, come on. You need it.
Hey, well, that's not what I need at the moment, though. I know what I need. You know, these things, if you're not careful about them, you get distracted and you lose focus, you lose track, and you don't even understand. Excuse me, sorry, that's my dad. Hey, Dad, how are you? Hello? Who is this? Yes, this is Eva. What are you doing with my dad's phone? What? Where? Is he okay? Alright, I'm coming right away. What is the problem? My dad's car just collided with a bus. What? And I'm called to come to the hospital. Please, we're going there right away and you're going with me, please. I'm begging you. Okay, let me get the car keys. Okay. What? Did you say he's coming?
Don't worry, he's coming.
How long? Why is it taking this long to come?
Please be patient.
Doctor, please, how is my father?
No cause here. God is in control.
Oh, good. Can we see him now?
You cannot see him at the moment. Given his state, you cannot see him now.
Doctor, I need to know his condition. I'm worried.
You can we see now? He's coming.
Well, you said you will go back to the city tomorrow.
Oh, yes.
Well, you have to leave now because it's about to rain, eh?
Like I told you the other day, I have to go back and start work in the new plot I bought sometime that I told you.
Okay. I see. I remember.
The engineer has been calling. I need to go. So work will commence immediately there.
Yes. And I thank God for your life. I thank God for you.
Thank you. I forgot to let you know that my children, my daughter and son, are now in the university.
You don't say.
Nonya, my daughter, is in her second year as a medical student, while Mike is in his first year as an accounting student.
Hey, are you serious? That's nice.
I'm serious. I am telling you the truth. The car my wife used cost me 2 million naira.
Are you serious?
That one is a small thing. Every month I give my wife 100,000 to buy foods that we need.
Okay. Enough of this joke. Please enter your car and go. What is it? Do you want to kill my father? Do you want to give my father high blood pressure?
Amarachi, will you go back and sit down?
Maka, what is it? I'm not okay for you too. What is it? Every time this man will come to this house and be telling you all his achievements, yet he cannot even help you. Come on to help you as a friend. What is it? What is it, Oga? Enter your car and leave, oh. Enter your car and leave before I'm back.
Ezimo! Come on, take care of yourself immediately. Huh? What is wrong with Amarachi?
Mama, you see not this man? This man is a very wicked man. Every time he will come to this house and be telling Papa about his numerous achievements, yet he cannot help Papa. See, Oga Kangwa Gizoku, if I should see you in this house again, you will not like what I will do to you. Enter your car and leave. Do you want to kill my father? Do you want to kill my father? Enter your car and leave, oh. Enter your car, Mama Afmaka. Enter your car and leave, oh.
No, sorry, bro. Don't mind her.
Let me see you in this house again. Let me see you in this house again. I'm going to give him. Let me see you in this house again. What is it? What is it? Papa, I saw me for this man. I need to know.
What is the meaning of this?
Mama, leave me alone. Okay. I don't want to see this man again. I don't want to see this man again!
Amarachi, what is the meaning of this? Why are you disgracing yourself like this?
But I'm not disgracing myself. Let me not see you in this house again, oh! Don't come to this compound again! If you come to this compound, I will just scatter this car!
Doctor, please. How is the internal bleeding?
It's a minor wound. We can take care of it.
Sure, thank God. Please do whatever you can to take care of it. I don't want my father to have any complications.
There's no problem. But all I want you to do now is just to be courageous. You don't need to entertain any fear. In fact, your father is even lucky. Because the guy that actually hit his car died at the spot.
God.
I'm telling you.
That's exactly what the nurse said. Thank God he's right.
Thank God. So what's his situation now?
He has not actually regained consciousness, but I know definitely in a short while he will be up. I promise you that. All you need to do now is to make a deposit of 250,000 for us to speed up the treatment.
250,000 naira. That's too much.
That's actually what the management said. And money will start here.
Not to worry, doctor, that's not an issue. Money would not be a problem. All I want you to do is to take very good care of my father and make sure he gets back on his feet.
That's okay.
Please, can I have the hospital account number so I can transfer some money?
Alright, no problem. Immediately we will give you.
Thank you.
The receptionist, Nurse Cynthia.
I should have listened to my daughter and my wife the time they were persuading me to travel to the city with Daniel. Look at it now. Today, Daniel has made it while I am still here, suffering in my poor condition.
Oko.
Huh?
This stress is too much on me here.
What are we going to do? Have you gotten another job? We must manage this one until we find another lucrative job to do. We're talking about stress. I have Goku stress. So.
Upon all this stress, I cannot even afford for my family demands. Just yesterday, my son was sent out of examination hall just because of school fees. And my daughter has been at home doing nothing.
Is your own not better? That's fun. You are talking about school fees. We can barely eat in my own house. We can't even afford 2 square meals. Last night they drank garri. I'm talking of school fees. How to go with school fees? So I'm talking about feeding.
Uko, are we going to continue like this?
We manage, no. We continue to manage. If you don't manage, stress, we take your children away from you. Don't worry.
Uko, I'm thinking about leaving this village for the city. Why are you laughing?
I follow you. That's impossible. It's impossible. Who do you know in the city?
I don't have anybody in the city.
So what do you mean? You don't have anybody. So where are you going to stay when you get to the city? Who goes on top of the tree? There you are. Leave all this talk and say, you go.
I'm still thinking about it.
Yeah, you are thinking about it.
Okay, Daniel, what are you two doing here? What work is going on there? Huh?
Ogalo, we are resting. The sun is too harsh on us.
Just take a look at what you are saying. That the sun is too harsh on you people. Tomorrow now you'll be the one crying to increase your salaries. Huh?
Yeah, human beings. Now they are not flashing. Look, the sun is high. Can you look up yourself? I'm happy to you. They are human beings.
Will you shut up your mouth? We just get up and go and work. I said, get up there! Look, if you don't get up here, I will sack you. I'll make sure I sack both of you from this job.
Help. Poor man need the help. You know fit the help himself. All him body na suffer. Nothing they goes to dirty. So come on. You the hungry but nothing to chop. Come on. You the sick, you the treatment. Come on. They suffer not the end.
Hello? Mr. John. Okay, like how many blocks do you want? 3,000 blocks. Okay, don't worry. My driver will bring them.
Now you're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Has your father come back from work?
Yes, sir. Okay. Please drop the umbrella behind you.
Please tell him that his friend Daniel is here to see.
Okay.
Afonu. In the rain? What's the problem?
Oko.
And by the way, how did you locate my house?
Oko, what brought me to your house is more important than the rain. And besides, have you forgotten the day you gave me the description to your house?
Yes, I remember. I hope there's no problem. I didn't see you at work today, so I was wondering. Me.
No, I decided to take the bull by the horn.
How do you mean, take the bull by the horn?
Oko, I want to go to the city and I've come to know if you're interested to go with me.
You want to know if I'm interested to go to the city with you?
Yes. Oko, that block industry work is not helping us. It's not helping us. I come to you as a friend. Let's take the bold step that will better our life in the future.
Listen, I cannot take such risk. Afonu, at my age, Mba. Now listen, if you want to go to the city alone, no problem. But I am not interested. A bed in hand is enough for me. When I have a family to feed.
Well, if you say you are not interested, I'll be leaving this village any moment this week.
Well, if we meet before you leave, all well and good. If not, well, may my God help you. People, take it easy. What? How can I not you? Yeah.
Why don't you want to go to the city with him?
Amarachi, are you well? Do you have anywhere I'm going to stay when I go to the city? What nonsense are you talking about? Yeah, don't annoy me. Now listen, sweep this place and then come and get me food to eat.
I don't know why Papa doesn't want to go to the city. If Mama come, I will tell her.
Now, how is he going to help me when my daughter Marachi insulted and chased him out of my house? How? How?
Nine, you're still here?
Yes.
You didn't go to work? Forgive me.
I have pains all over my body and my drugs are finished. I'm tired.
Oh, try and go. But did you take permission? Here.
Well, that's the more reason I have to go. If I don't, they will deduct money from my salary.
I know. Just go. Oh, when you get there, you take permission. Oh, and come home. Take your drugs and rest. Oh?
I'll do just that. I think I will go home.
Sick. Oh?
Amarachi.
She didn't like it.
Amarachi.
Elijah, what is it? What is it? Can't you see these things are heavy?
Take it easy now. Your blood is always hot. Okay, do you know why I stopped you?
Why did you stop me?
Hey, okay, let me surprise you now. Because I want to help you push this truck. I know you are tired already.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
Yeah.
Hey, you think I can do this, right? Hey.
Elijah.
Hey.
Elijah, carry now, let's go now, because you
can touch me more time.
Let's go.
Now beat me so.
Let's go. Hey.
Amarachi.
Elijah.
You try your this head you.
They go. Elijah, they look now they go. Elijah, thank you very much.
No mention.
Came.
Hope you go back and fetch more.
Under the sun? No. Maybe later in the evening.
Hey. If you agree to go back, I'll help you and fetch more now.
Are you serious?
You know I can do anything for you.
Hey! What is that?
Hey. Sorry now.
Elijah, what's that one? What do you mean by that?
I mean I can help you and fetch more water.
You help me again? Okay. Wait. Let me go and empty this once I'm coming.
I'm waiting, eh?
Just shift.
Please don't hurt yourself. I'm waiting, though.
Elijah, don't tell me you're tired though. I'm tired. You're not tired.
Oh, okay, keep
it. Carry, let's go.
Okay.
Papa, what happened? What happened to my father?
They are all working together. Let's drop the parts.
Fall on him and break his spinal cord.
Yes. My father's spinal cord?
Yes.
Where is your mother?
Block!
Where is your mother?
Mother went to the market.
Your sister, uncle?
She went to fetch water now.
But if the environment come, take him to hospital immediately. Okay.
Why did you people not take him to hospital?
Let's go.
Papa,
what side do I touch? Papa, your spinal cord. Papa, can you move? Hey, and Mama is not back now. Papa, hey, Papa, what do I do now? Eh? Papa, hey, Papa, sorry, Papa, sorry. Mama.
You mean Amarachi did not tell you where she was going?
Not tell me.
You don't find it.
She left since. Sir? Let me water.
Now, Johnny, we are.
Mama. Papa, sorry. Sorry, Papa.
Do it gently now.
Sorry.
Do it gently. This is nice. Small. Sorry. Where have you been?
Mama, I went to the owner of the block industry. Look at what happened to Papa.
Did you see?
They said he traveled out of town, and I was asked to wait for him. I waited for him, but he never came. Hey, Mama, don't worry. I'll still go back there tomorrow in the morning. I need to be taken to the hospital.
When you go there tomorrow, tell him I sent you. When you listen to you.
Mama, did you cook anything?
I cooked.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Oh, that was some mistake my suppliers made to my workers. Trying to trace to correct. You said that your father is still at home.
Yes, sir. He was the one who asked me to come and see you.
Why should your father ask you to come and meet me? Am I going him? How did I pay him in half salary? I paid your father.
Sir. He did not say you're owing him, but we need your help. My father is dying, please.
Well, I will do that because of you. Meanwhile, I will give you around 50,000.
Hey, 50,000 naira. Thank you so much, sir. God will bless you.
What happened is that I am not with any cash here with me. See this address, there you really will come. It's where I will meet my workers. I normally meet them there. So when you come there, ask the receptionist about me. We'll direct you where you get me. Take.
Did you say in the afternoon?
By 2 p.m. By 2 p.m. I'll be there.
Madam, welcome. Auntie, welcome.
Thank you, my dear.
Oh, yeah.
How are you? Thank you. Thank you.
Huh? Did anybody come to you? No, nobody came. Okay, get us food.
That boutique is the best in town.
You can say it again. Hey. The man knows his stuff.
Just drop it.
The man knows his stuff, eh? I discovered the place last month.
Beautiful clothes. My husband would like this clothes.
Of course, now. He will like them. Is he back?
Oh, yes. You know he's starting a project this week. So he's back.
Right there. God has really blessed your husband, though.
My sister, if you knew what I had gone through in life, you would know that this is well deserved. God remembered us when all hope was lost.
Such is life.
I thank God, my dear. Thank God.
But Rosemary, why not discuss with your husband so that he can start a business for you? Even if it's a small supermarket, it will really help you.
You're right. We've had a discussion on that. He said he would do something.
That is very, very good.
You're a good friend.
Hey!
You're a good friend. Well, I'll soon be leaving. I'll take it home.
Okay.
Bring it from me.
I am so glad that. Yeah, I thank God. At least the doctor did a very good job. So that's what I'm grateful. I'm thinking of this challenge. Whether he is just tomorrow or less, all I know before is that he has come back. That's all right. You know, I want you to be to us this hard. She's kind of playing with the relationships. I don't understand you, brother. Who will pull up? She is a nice girl. She's a good girl. Look, I don't want you to lose that girl. I don't want you to lose her. I've told you I have a lot going on with me now. I need to concentrate. I don't need distraction. I've told you that before. It doesn't stop you. It doesn't stop you from going about your duties. You can still carry on your daily activities. That doesn't stop you. Alright, I've heard you. I'll think about it. Now we go now. This is what you say all the time. What is holding this guy? This is almost 3 p.m. and she has not been here. I called the receptionist and he told me that no one has asked of me. Does it mean that she will not come or what? I'm coming! Come inside. You cannot stay outside like that. Just come inside. That's no problem. Come inside. Sit down. Sit down. Panya, honestly, I thought you were not coming again.
So I have an option. My father is dying.
That's no problem. Your father will not die. Nothing will happen to your father.
Alright?
I think I made a promise of 150,000. Because of the condition, I have decided to make it 200,000 naira. Hold it. Listen. There's an update that says nothing goes for nothing. Right? Before this morning, becomes yours. Eh? I'd like to sleep with you.
Sir, please, I'm sorry. I can't do it.
You can't do it. But you needed my money.
Please, I don't have that. Please.
Listen good. If you cannot accept what I asked you to do, but I wanted you to take this money to your father, but if you refuse to accept what I asked you to do, this door is open for you to go. Alright? But remember, if anything happens to your father, never you lay blame on me. Is that clear? Better take this money. I take the life of your father. You know what I'm asking you to do. Is there any problem with that?
Please. I can't do it. Help us, please.
Mother, remember, if anything happens to your father, don't lay blame on me. Remember, I saved the life of your father, give me my needs. That's all.
Mama need the help. He no fit the help himself.
What is holding her?
This pain is too much. Because somebody should help me.
Naindo. I don't know what is keeping Amarachi. She's supposed to have been back by now.
Mama, should I go and look for her?
Look for her? You don't even know the exact place she went. You're back. What kept you? What happened? Did you see him?
Mama, I saw him.
What did he say?
That man is very wicked.
What?
Mama, please, let's forget about what that man said. If I tell you what that man told me, Papa will never be happy that someone he's working for can never say such a thing.
Did he give you the money he promised giving you?
Yes, it's there.
Hey! What happened? Was not even again what? Hey, Efomo, do you know that all the money I had, I used it to buy beans and plantain yesterday? What of temptation is this? What am I going to do now? Hey! She's like a mom.
Mama, Sister, I think we should take Papa to the hospital like that and explain to the doctors.
Okay.
Maybe they will listen to us.
Namdi, you don't understand. No doctor in this our country would want to help any patient without money. They are all interested in money. Life doesn't mean anything to them. But you see that man, Ma? You see that man? He will never see anything good in his life.
Amen. Amen.
Papa.
There is something I want to tell you.
Okay.
Do you want to kill my father? Do you want to give my father high blood pressure?
Amarachi, will you go back and sit down?
Maka, what is it? What is it? Every time this man will come to this house and be telling you all his achievements, yet he cannot even help you. Come on to help you as a friend. What is it?
She was right. Her father really needed my help. Well, it's not yet late. think I can see him when next I travel to the village.
Honey, is everything alright?
I'm okay.
Are you sure? Okay.
Okay. Have some oranges.
Oh, thank you. That's my love. That's why I can't stop talking about you.
So, let me have a cup.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So, how was work today at the site?
Fine. The boys almost dug the foundation. By tomorrow, they will complete it and the work will commence immediately.
Wow. That's awesome. So, very soon now, we will be proud owners of 2 houses in the city.
I tell you, God is awesome.
Phil, what about that supermarket you promised me? You've not said anything about it since the last time we discussed.
So here, I still have it in mind. Just let me finish this project first. I must do as I promised.
Thank you.
Don't you trust me again?
Of course I trust you.
Hey, Amarachi, my personal person. Wait now.
Hi, Raja. Please leave me alone. I'm in a haste.
Don't walk out on me now.
What do you want?
See, as you can see, I'm coming back from church service. And everything I want to tell you now is from the bottom of my heart.
Elijah, Apmaka.
I love you and I want you to love me back. That is all.
Leave me alone now.
Please now.
Elijah, Apmaka before I'm banning give film taki nene.
Ta! Show me that film. I need that film today. Every time you show me film, you show me film. Do you carry television on your body? Eh? Show me that film. I want
Elijah,
to see it
leave
today.
me.
You must show me that film.
Hey! Hey! Aish, see ne? This one, look at season 1. Hey. Next time if you stop me on the road again, you need season 2. Look at all the Ishipopo. Finish it, Joe. Hey. 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 This guy hand is very strong, oh.
Jesus.
Thank you. Thank you, Jesus.
Poor man need the help. He no fit the help himself. All him body na suffer. Nothing they goes to rate. So come on. He the hungry but nothing to chop. Come on. He the sick no treatment. Come on.
Yes, Papa, how are you? Where's Mama? See, I collected some money from my friend. I'm gonna come, so we'll take you to the hospital, yes?
Come. Go into my room, eh? Look. Under my bed. You will find a blue bucket. Eh? Bring it.
Okay.
Come here. Yeah? Come with the machete.
If this one no happen, that one go happen. For poor man's story, oh. Something must have happened. If you know they complain.
You should have just told me to bring matches instead of matches. These are old clothes now.
That's a bad deal, remove those clothes. Remove them.
Hey, Papa. Papa, what is this?
Use the machete and break it. That is my life savings. Past 5 years. I wanted to use it to start a business next year. And it wasn't sure. I'm no longer sure.
Papa Chirekwa, Papa, you have this kind of money in this house and you kept quiet. You allow me to be searching for money everywhere simply because I want to take you to the hospital.
I'm sorry, don't be annoyed, eh? I don't want you to waste this money in the hospital. Amarachi, I doubt if I can make it. You keep this money. Make very good use of it. I trust you, my daughter. Oh?
Papa, I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand what you're saying. Do you know that Oga wanted to sleep with me? In fact, Mama needs to know about this. Mama! Mama!
Oh.
Mama!
Oh.
Enne, are you back? Mama, come and speak. Come on. I'll give it. Where is this from? From Papa's bedroom. Your father's bedroom? Yes. Papa has been saving this money for 5 years. You mean this whole money have been in this house all this while? I've been running helter-skelter looking for money to take him to the hospital. Mama, that's not fair. He said he does not want this money wasted in the hospital. Mama, why would he say something like that? Yeah, I don't understand. It's like not more important than any other thing. I don't understand, Papa. What me I know is that we will take money from you and take him to the hospital immediately. In fact, let me start counting it. Hey! Money. Hey! Why you surprise me today? Hey! 1,000 naira. Hey!
Papa! 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 Mama! Mama! Papa! Papa! Agnes! Papa! Hey! Papa! Agnes! Papa! Agnes!
Okay. Hey! 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 Papa! Hey!
Sister, what is happening? Sister, don't close them. Sister,
Mama, Papa is gone. What is the use of this?
What is the use of this money? Why did you do Mama, do something! Sister! Hey! Mama, do something! Hey!
We were not aware of his death. Just a few days ago, one of my workers brought the news. We were surprised, and we made inquiries. Later we confirmed that it is true. That is why we are here today on behalf of the company to sympathize with the family. We urge you all to take heart.
Thank you very much. No.
Let me have a minute.
Yes, please.
Thank you so much. This is our condolence token. We are sorry for what happened. All the factory members are mourning. We are sorry. God knows the best. Have it.
Thank you. God bless you.
That's a very big lie. God would rather punish this man for what he did.
Amarachi.
This man is an evil man.
Amarachi, why are you like this?
Mama, this man is evil. He knows what he is doing. Now you are here after killing my father to pay condolence, isn't it?
Amarachi!
Sister.
This is what I get out from this
Sister,
now.
get easy
now. Doesn't want nobody to
Sister.
It's his fault. It's his fault. People should ask this man. I went to him to assist me with my father's treatment. He promised to give me 150,000. I went to him for the 150,000. He said he was going to sleep with me before you give me the money. What? I refused. He refused to give me the money. Today you're here with all this money to pay condolence.
Oga, get out of our house.
Shut up your mouth. Listen good. Is it because I come to pay condolence visit because of the death of your father? Is it why you insult yourself like this?
How can he?
Let me tell you. You must pay for this. You must pay for this.
He may come to that, He better give him kinene. In fact,
Oga, get back.
He's so shameless.
You must see. You must see. I tell you must see.
Mama, this man is shameless.
So shameless.
Very shameless man. Bring everything. Oga, why is that you come to this house? What is it? What is that?
That's one.
Get out of this house.
Get out! Nonsense! Hello! Follow him up! Hello! Yeah? That's all?
Your father's burial has come and gone. I called for this meeting so that we can discuss a way forward for our family. We can't continue to be idle like this, else hunger will kill us. I want us to use the little money left in our hands to continue our business again. Eh? My daughter. Namdi.
Mama, can I suggest something?
Hey, Mom, make your suggestion. They said 2 good heads are better than 1. So make it.
Mama, I remember Namdi said he wants to learn mechanic work. I think we should give him this money so he will go and learn his mechanic work.
Nem, your suggestion is very good. Namdi, you heard what your sister said.
Mama, I don't want to learn mechanic work again.
What do you want?
I want to learn furniture work. It brings more money. And I have somebody that is ready to teach me.
Okay, in that case, tomorrow you accompany him to the man's place. Let him show you the man. Negotiate with him. Probably pay him. Come back with a little money left. Let's continue our business.
Okay. That'll be first thing in the morning.
Yes,
first thing tomorrow, I'll just come to your room and we'll go.
Okay, Mama, but I will have to check my trap first, Mama.
Trap? At this crucial time. Kinekoko trap.
I don't want to look for you in the morning, no.
Tomorrow morning, don't go anywhere until you have gone to that shop and come back.
Yeah. Mama, was I not the one that said I want to learn work in the first place? I will have to go and check my trap first before I will go.
Namdi! Namdi discussion now.
Come back here! I don't have your strength this morning. Imagine you see what he's doing. Bono. Shaki.
Just leave him.
Don't worry, later. Come and take it.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, Dad. My son. Good morning. You are ready for work?
Yes, Dad, I'm set for work. So how are you doing today?
It's alright. At least I'm getting stronger.
Oh, thank God. At least in no time you'll join me at the office. That the workload is so hectic.
Well, my son, you tried. In spite of the fact that I was not there to help you out. I'll join you as soon as I am fit.
Where is it? Okay? Come.
Yes, sir.
Hey, okay, please do include me in your lunch plan. I'll be back for lunch with that.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Then I'm off to work.
Alright, good luck to you, my
See you at lunch.
Have you seen it? If I talk now, you say Marachi has started again. Since morning, Namdi went to check his trap. He's not yet back. And we are supposed to go to somewhere this morning.
I don't know what is wrong with that boy. Were you not here when I warned him not to step out of this house today?
See, Mama, if he comes out today, I'll break that trap. I'm tired of this nonsense. What have you been doing in the bush since morning?
Mama, could you believe that? My trap caught a very big meat this morning. And before I could go to the farm, some people went away with the meat. The meat I was supposed to bring to you so that we used to cook this morning. I'm not happy at all, Mama. I was very happy. I wanted to bring that meat for you.
Sorry. And you decided to live in the bush instead of allowing the rats to live in the bush.
Mama.
Just go inside and dress up. Stand waiting for you. Quickly!
Mama, I'm very angry. I'm not going anywhere again, Mama.
Where are you coming from?
Sister, I'm very angry. Please leave me alone.
I'm talking to you and you're walking away. Isn't it? I'm talking to you and you're walking away.
Sister, leave me alone.
Mama, see, I'm going to break this trap. Sister, don't let me injure you. Sister, leave this trap. I'll slap you!
Sister, I'll come.
Come on, stop!
Died.
What's my doing?
Sister.
You, what are you doing in our house? You've succeeded in killing your friend, isn't it?
Killed who?
Look at this man. Don't get me angry. You have succeeded in killing my father. And now you are here pretending as if you don't know. Isn't it?
Oko is dead. What happened to him?
See, Abiko, please, I beg you in the name of God. I don't want to lose my temper. Just respect yourself and go and enter your car and take this compound out of this compound. Now.
What happened to him?
Mama, tell this man to leave this place. Tell this man to leave this place. If you had helped my father when we were all begging you, my father wouldn't be lying down here today. And now you're here pretending as if you don't know. You don't know you killed him. Please, go and enter your car and leave this compound now.
I never knew that he's dead. I'm here in respect of what we discussed the last time I came. Please, I never knew he's dead.
Okay, go and enter your car and leave. Mama, this man coming is not going to contribute anything to our life. Let him just go. My father is already dead. Okay, go and enter your car and leave.
But Mama, you just heard what he said. Let him be.
Like I said, my daughter, take it easy. Please come.
I'm not your daughter.
Sister.
I realize my fault.
Sister.
And that is why I am here to see him. Please, I never knew he's there. Oh God.
No. Oh. Come inside, mommy. Oh.
Mama.
Mother, come inside. Oh.
What is the meaning of all this? I have been calling my son for the past 1 hour and he's not picking my call. Now, his 2 phones are switched off. What do I do now? Okay, let me call the secretary. Yes. Take that phone, go to my son's office and give it to him. He has not come back from lunch since afternoon. Did he tell you he was going to somewhere after lunch? Then call me back as soon as he comes. This is unlike my son. Going out from the office since afternoon and he has not come back. What is actually happening? It's unlike him. Anyway, let me wait a little bit.
We appreciate you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
You said you wouldn't take anything. Eh?
No, you don't need to bother. I think I've told you. You don't need to bother yourself. I don't want to eat anything. Eh?
Uncle, just wait. Now let me hurriedly prepare something for you. You will like it too.
Come on, I don't feel like to take anything. Eh? I don't feel like taking anything. Mrs. Oko.
Okay, Daniel.
I think the only way I can help make up my lapses towards this family is to take your children to the city with me.
My children? No, there is no need taking them to the city. We are okay here. I won't be able to stay alone. So leave them, Biko.
Uncle, want to take me and my brother to the city?
Oh, yes.
Uncle.
Uncle.
Mama, me, I will not go to the city.
Shut up your mouth.
Sister, Mama, if I go to the city, I won't be able to catch bushmeat. Sister.
Bushball. Marapiaka.
Mrs. Soko, the opportunity for one to better his life is higher in the city. In the city, one has a lot of opportunity to make it. Just take the case of myself and your husband, for instance. So I think it's better for them to come over to the city.
Thank you. Me and my children, we are coping well here. Even my son is about starting work.
Yes, Mama.
So why taking him to the city? Leave him alone. I don't dare my aba.
Well, I thought that taking them to the city is the only way I can make up for my lapses. Meanwhile, I'm giving you time to think about it and get back to me tomorrow. I'll be coming back tomorrow. I think I have to be on my way now.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye. Go come back tomorrow.
my son has not come back up to this time. His 2 phones are still switched off. Where is he? I wonder what has happened. Or has anything happened to my son? Let me express. Good evening, Obiora. How are you? All is not well. My son left the office for lunch and hasn't come back up till this time. And I have been trying to reach him, but to no avail. I wonder if you have heard from him or talked with him today. You mean you have not talked to my son today?
Two of you want to go to the city, leaving me here in the village. Barely 1 month after your father's death. Alone, without no care from any of you. At nobody's mercy. It's not good though. No, Mama.
Mama, sister, I've come to realize how important it is that we travel to the city.
What's the mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Nami, are you the one saying this? Saying me? I said, Obonam. No, stay with me now. Okay, let her go.
Mama, we ought to have learned from Papa's mistake by now. Was it not the same man that came to Papa and asked them to go to the city? But Papa refused. That's why we are still suffering in poverty till today. If Papa had listened, Papa wouldn't have died a poor man. We won't still be in this condition till today. Yes, Mama.
Mama, I'm happy you're talking like this. But leaving me here is not part of the happiness now. Stay with me. Oh, man. Oh,
Namdi, I am impressed. I never knew you have such good thoughts in you. Mama, I would have loved to allow him go alone. But I don't want him to make mistakes. Let me go with him.
Oh? Hey, you want to go with him? What happens to me now? Who will go with me? I'm not going. I want to stay in my husband's house. Nah, let me stay with me. Oh, Mama, Biko.
Mama, sir. Don't you want us to go to the city and make money? And when we come back, your son will build you a beautiful house.
Yes, Mama.
Buy you a car.
I want you to buy me a car. I want you to stay with me.
When we go to the city, we'll become very rich. We'll come back to this village with flashy cars. Mama, I'll build a house for you when I get back to this village. I'll buy you a car, Mama.
Okay.
I want you to be happy.
If it will I'll be happy, but my own is staying alone is dangerous.
Mama, please.
If I die in this house, who will
Mama,
tell people that I died?
Nothing will happen to you. You'll be fine.
Even you.
Mama.
That grass cutter you promised me didn't bring it.
Mama, it's a car. I will die for you this time.
Yeah.
I promise.
Hey.
I promise, Mama.
I got a phone call that my son's car was found and it has been taken to the station. I'm going there right now.
This is rather strange to me. I mean, up till now his phone numbers are switched off. What could have happened to him?
Well, I don't know, but I am going to report the case to the police station.
You are right, but I would suggest you wait till afternoon. Who knows, he might come back.
No, there's not going to be any delay. I'm going to do that right now so that I will incident the case.
You have a point. I think yes, you have a point.
That's my son. That's my son. Hold on. Hello? Eva?
Am I talking to Chief Njoku?
Who are you?
My name is Commander Kitikata from the Idiot family. Make I tell you now, your son in my custody, and I dey give you 5 days to peel out 80 meters. I mean 80 million. Otherwise, please.
Sir, who was that? Sir, who was that? Who was on the other side of the phone? Sir, please talk to me. Please, talk to me. Sir.
For the man, you say you no want chop anything.
Our guy, you are the vex. But since you carry this man come here, you never chop anything, even common water, you never drink. I don't tire, man.
This place where you dey in a jungle. If you no chop, if you die here, we go bury you here.
What fun now? What in Pale talk? He said go drop the 18.
The idiot ain't go comply.
Well, make him drop him. Have fun now. What you go do about this guy food?
But the man just tied this much shawarma come from outside for him.
Shawarma will be. But guy this thing coming no chop. I go matter me.
Mama, please take care of yourself, yeah? Don't worry, we'll be calling with the phone Mr. Daniel got for you. Okay?
Okay, my dear. It's alright. People should be careful over there. Oh? Whatever you ask people to do, please do it. Okay, Mama.
Alex, that's it. Everything will be alright, Mama.
I know.
Mama, will miss you.
I miss you. Mr. Daniel, thank you for your kindness. Please take care of my children for me. Please, I beg you.
I will. And I will be coming from time to time to see you.
Thank you. Mama.
Have you heard from them since the last time they called to inform you that they have reduced the ransom to 150 million naira?
Yes, they called this morning. I pleaded with them to accept 50 million. But
They banged the phone on me, only to call back, and they told me it is now 80 million or I should forget about my son. What a huge amount. What a huge amount.
Sir, I understand. But no amount of money is too huge for the life of your son. Your only son. These guys, they are heartless. They can do unimaginable things without having a second thought of it. Please, I will advise you do what they say for the sake of your son. Please.
I should have reported this matter to the police. If you had not advised me against it.
No. No, that would have been dangerous. That would have been too dangerous. They would have killed Eva the moment they realized you reported to the police. And come back for you as well, just like they threatened. If anybody is advising you to do so, please ignore such advice.
Now I have only today and tomorrow to raise this ransom and send it to them. I have only today and tomorrow.
I know. I know. But life is more important. Life is more important. Well, I will come back in the evening or tomorrow morning to check on you. I'll have to take my leave now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Alright, have a nice day.
Alright. Bye.
Well, this is the place. I believe both of you are matured enough to take care of this room and all the electrical appliances in it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so, you are actually leaning on my wall.
Sorry, ma'am.
Please, do not touch my walls. To be on a very safe side, don't touch my walls. I love them being very clean.
Yes, ma'am.
And the bathroom must be kept clean. Like, all the time.
Okay, Auntie. See, Auntie, I promise you will keep everywhere clean. We will not dirty anything.
Good for you.
And I want to thank you and your husband for accepting us. God bless you.
Amen. Okay. If you stick to my rules, we won't have problems here.
No problem.
Yes, you cannot imagine how much it cost my husband to fix everything you're seeing here.
No problem, Auntie. I promise you will be of good behavior.
Okay. If there's any electrical appliance you cannot operate, talk to my children.
Okay, Auntie.
Make yourselves comfortable, but not too comfortable. Go and get your bags.
Star body is good. Oh! Look at our room. And this is what money does, sister. Sister, money is so good. Can you imagine the kind of house that these people are living in? Oh, but then you go. You started. Wait, you want to spoil somebody's bed?
Yeah. I don't want to go back to the village.
Sister, I'm only testing something.
Give me. Don't worry.
Sister, go.
Go.
Money is good, sister. Money is good, no.
come on. Let me say now you don't know.
What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Are you mad? Do you know how long I've been knocking at that gate?
Madam, sorry.
Huh?
I overslept, sorry. No verse.
Overslept?
Madam.
You mean you were sleeping and I've been knocking at that gate since?
Sorry, madam, I know you. I overslept. I no go sleep again, huh? I no go sleep
Joe,
again. Ma?
Didn't you sleep last night?
Yes. No. Yes. Madam, sorry. No verse.
Come on, get out of my way.
Welcome.
Mom, who is that lady I saw outside?
Yeah.
Yes, I saw a girl outside while coming in.
I forgot to tell you that we have such people here now.
People? That means she's not even alone.
A girl and a boy.
And who are they?
Your father brought them here and said that his late friend's children.
So, why did he bring them here?
Good question. But you're asking the wrong person. Your father has all the explanations.
Mom, like, seriously, I don't get it. Are we not running motherless babies home here? This is not a laughing matter. I'm so serious, Mommy. I don't understand what is going on in this house now.
Neither do I, my dear. Oh my word.
See, my uncle watch television.
What? Yeah, I don't know which over TV in our what.
I don't know how to put it on now.
It's all news.
Mom, what's going on here? What is going on here? Who is he? Who are they?
No. My daughter will come and help you.
Thank you, ma.
Mom, what's going on?
When you have really rested, go to the visitor's room and tell them about it.
Father, are you telling us that these people are going to live there with us?
They will be here for a while.
Why? Not like how long? 2 weeks, 2 months, or 2 years?
Michael, you heard what I said. And I urge both of you to treat them like your siblings.
That girl is old enough to take care of her mother and her brother. Why bringing them here? I mean, it's absurd.
You understand?
Now, well, only a while. Eh? Why are you that harsh on your child because of common strangers?
Did I hear you say common strangers?
Yes? I don't know strangers.
They're strangers.
Oh! Ha! How fast can go?
Well, strangers or not strangers, they are part of this family now.
You see?
Daddy, no. No, I know you are the man of the house. I also have right in this house too. Father, never. They will not be alive now. Which are not going to do? Take your
Then you have to get your own apartment because I will not have you dictate for me in my own house.
I got that SMG. I don't understand you anymore. Huh? This was not what you told me now. Huh?
What does that mean?
That means you can kill for those people. You could have come on home.
Yeah.
Wait, what are you two doing here?
We came to watch television with you people now.
You told that boy your mom. You came to watch television with you. Come get out! I said get your dirty ass out of that seat.
Marriage, dirty ass.
Wait, you think I'm joking?
Please, can you help us turn on the one in our room?
Can you imagine?
You're mad. Did you come here with any television?
I can get out of this place.
No enjoyment here, so management here. Come on,
Can you imagine the boldness? Come on, help us and put the one in our room.
Just
no. Mike, I'm so tired of seeing these people here. I wonder where that brought them from. Let them just leave this house already. I'm so tired of seeing their ugly faces.
Don't worry.
What is going on here?
They are leaving this house, whether that likes it or not. They must leave.
Better, because I'm so fed up. I'm tired of seeing them. I'm tired of seeing them in this house.
I
don't know. Eh? I will come and put television for us. As if they came to this house to watch television. Stupid people.
Sir, you're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, did you succeed?
Yes, I have delivered the message. They said they will get back to me in 2 hours' time.
2 hours?
Yes.
Maybe they just want to confirm the money before releasing him.
Yes. Maybe it is that. But I am here waiting for them. Obiora. In fact, I am so happy for the advice you gave me not to involve the police. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Now, let's go in and have some drinks while we wait.
Okay, sir.
Come on, let's
you.
Come, stupid boy. Can't you greet? Or didn't your wretched mother teach you some good manners? Huh? I'm talking, you're still moving as now. You never done. Can't you greet?
I greeted you.
You greeted me. Liar! When did you greet me?
I greeted you when you greeted your father and someone.
And you're still lying. What is wrong with you, sister?
Yes. What is going on?
What is this idiot? I don't know where that brought him from. He doesn't live in this house. Likewise his sister.
But what is that?
No.
Is it true that you don't greet her?
Mommy, please stop asking him. He's a liar and will always lie.
Well, I wouldn't want you to have issues with my children. The same goes to you. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, no. Mommy, one day, this is my father's house and I have some respect in this house. Just talk to them.
Why are you looking at that like that? Will you be that? Please.
Is it true to not do it? I don't mind that stupid guy, but then I hear no office. Start because in the village, you know me now. Stop.
In my father's house.
Okay.
You mean your husband went to the village, called you on phone to tell you about these people, and the next thing he brought them into your house?
I'm telling you the truth.
Yeah, Rose, these people you are talking about, are they in any way related to your family?
Is he related? No. Why not? I don't know them. As a matter of fact, I have never seen them before.
My dear, you need to be very careful, though. Persuade your husband to tell you the truth before something spoils, though.
I'm just keeping quiet because I don't want my husband to feel disobeying him.
My dear, these days, you can do and undo. So you have to be very vigilant. I will advise you to persuade your husband to tell you the truth about these people. Because if it was me, I will make sure I find out the truth about these people.
It is only a fool who does not appreciate good advice. Well, I've heard what you said. I know what to do. I'll be leaving because I left them alone that day.
You're taking a risk, oh. You left only those strangers in your house.
Then what would you have me do? Eh? So I cannot go out again because my husband brought strangers. Eh? Please, let me just go.
Okay now.
We'll talk.
No wahala. We'll talk later.
Alright then.
Wow. This is a very serious issue. I trust Rose. I know her. Very sure she can handle it. Rita! Ma? How are these things like? Arrange them now. Sorry, madam. Yeah. Did anybody call?
Nurse, I want to see my son.
This.
I want to see my son.
Where is he?
Where is he? Where is he?
Someone was roasted.
Calm down. Hey, I'll soon call you.
Oh yeah, go and call. Please.
I will have a seat.
Okay, fine. Are you sure? Please. Oh, yeah, please. Nurse now. Nurse. Nurse. Calm down. Please go on.
Take this thing. Go and take it.
Yes, water. Keep it there. Lunch. I want to talk to you. And whatever question I ask, I want you to answer me honestly. Is that okay? Yes, ma'am. Where is your brother? He's sleeping inside. Who are you to? I don't understand. I mean, what's your relationship with my husband?
Auntie, your husband and my late father, they used to be best of friends.
I said, answer me truthfully. I ask again, what is your relationship with my husband?
Auntie, that's the truth. Your husband and my father, they were best of friends.
That is not enough reason for him to bring you all the way from the village to the city. Listen, if you don't tell me and I find out myself, I will keep you and your brother out of my house.
That's the truth. That's all I know.
It's okay. It's okay. Since you don't want to talk, no problem. You can go.
So this one no happen, that one go happen. For poor man's story, oh, something must have happened.
According to the young lady, she was driving by when she saw your son lying by the roadside helplessly. She was forced to stop. She discovered he needed medical attention and she brought him here. Sir, your son had not tasted anything for some days now, and that explains the reason for dehydration and loss of strength.
Thank you very much, Doctor. I am overwhelmed.
You're welcome, sir.
And who is that young lady? Where can I find her?
I don't know her, but she dropped her contact in case we needed anything.
She must be a good woman. I need to get her contact and see her. You know, I can't wait to see a good Nigerian like that.
Yes, she's really a good girl. You're very correct, sir. Very correct.
But can I see my son now?
Of course, sir. But like I said, you need to exercise some patience, okay? I wouldn't want him to be disturbed. Let's give him more time. Let's say 30 minutes more for him to rest.
In that case, I'll use this opportunity to go and get him something to eat.
That would be better. Yeah.
So thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Come, I'm gonna ask you whatever they call you. Is this how you behave in your father's house? Madam, how do you behave? You're asking me. The clothes you wash for I and my brother, what are they still doing outside?
Yeah, still wet. And there's no way I can dry them in this house. That's why I left them outside.
They are wet. You cannot bring them inside. And she's even talking back at me. I said, go and pack those clothes in. Look at this girl. Look, Marachi, you're trying me. By the time I close my eyes and open them, you're just out of this room. You're still here. Go and pack the clothes. Go and pack those clothes. Come on from there, go and pack those clothes. You're still sitting there looking at me as if I'm talking nonsense.
Nonye, I am not your mate. See, forget the fact I'm in your father's house. A block okay from Mutua.
What nonsense is she saying? What are you talking about? Look, you will know my true colors if you don't go and bring those clothes in. Go and bring my clothes in, Amarachi. Don't try me in this house. Don't try me. Stupid village fools.
That girl is evil. That girl pop face. She's not happy that we're in this house. She's not happy at all. My brother's house. In my father's house. In my mother's house.
Don't worry. Very soon my father will get us a job. We'll work and make our own money. We'll into our own house. Let me see how she will come there and talk nonsense. Banere ya uzupu film konene. You hear me?
I want to enjoy my future.
Daniel.
Rosemary, you've not been sleeping. What's the matter?
I want us to talk.
Hope all is well.
All is not well. It's all about the strangers you brought into my house.
What about them?
You have not really told me the truth about them. Especially the girl.
And what are you insinuating?
I am not insinuating anything. Just that the fact that their father was your bosom friend does not mean you should bring them here.
Enough of this nonsense, Rosemary. And listen, if this is the reason you woke me up, please don't try it next time.
Do you think you will continue to deceive me? I know what that girl is to you. But it's okay. I'll be watching.